Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with AKST, today let us learn about system variables supported by Azure Data Factory. So, now let us learn about system variables in Azure Data Factory. System variables are nothing but built-in variables available to used within every data factory pipeline. The main purpose of having system variables is to make it easy for user to capture the commonly used pipeline related information and pass this dynamically anywhere within the pipeline. So this information can come in handy while creating a log table to capture pipeline errors while creating a logic based on the pipeline trigger or for capturing the execution time of the pipeline. See, here we have three types of system variables here. See, first one is pipeline scope. So these system variables can be referenced anywhere in the pipeline. So we have this is the variable name and the description is given here. For the pipeline data factory, it gives the output of name of the data or Synapse workspace the pipeline run is running in. So if you want name of the pipeline, we have to give this variable name. So if you want to know the trigger type, we want to give the system variable name as this one. So let us see where it is present here. See, I have already opened my sample data factory. Here let us simply create new pipeline. And here somewhere here it is store procedure. If you select this, so here you can see stored procedure parameters. If you click on new, give it as name of the pipeline name, value. If you select the value, here add dynamic content. Here if you click that one, you can see if you click add dynamic content, this box is opened. Here you can see system variable. We no need to study this one, they automatically come. If you want to know the data factory name, see it is already, the function is opened here. Now just click OK. So this is how we can create the system variables. If you want to create another one, simply give name trigger. Click here. Search for system variables name. If you want to know the trigger name, select this one. Click OK. This is how you use the system variables, pipeline system variables. These are all the pipeline variables here. Next one is schedule trigger scope. Here there are two variables present here. These system variables can be referenced anywhere in the trigger for triggers of type scheduled trigger. See, let us see here. Create a new pipeline. First we have to create some parameters. Hmm. Here there are two parameters. First is start time and next is end time. Let us start time. Let us give other parameter end time. Now let us add trigger, new trigger, new, type is schedule, every 1 minute. Okay. Here we can add this variable. Let us copy. So this variable gives time at which the trigger was scheduled to invoke the pipeline run, while this variable gives time at which the trigger actually fired to invoke the pipeline run. This may differ slightly from the trigger schedule time. It gives the exact time. So here this name is not end time is not perfect one. You can just click OK. So this is how we use the system variables schedule trigger scope with system variables. Now let us go to tumbling window trigger scope. These system variables can be referenced anywhere for triggers of type tumbling window trigger. Here 4 types of triggers are given. Let us see how to create new pipeline. Let us add parameter start time, another parameter end time, add trigger. Select new, type as tumbling window for every 1 hour. Click OK. Here you can copy this trigger variables. Click on OK. This is how you create the system variables, tumbling window system variables. So this is all about system variables. Thank you.